Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and doing well at home. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, look at the board. Today the date is 20th January 2021. What is the date today? 20th January 2021. And what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Wednesday को उर्दू में कहते हैं बुध. What is the day today? Wednesday, Buddh. Okay, dear students, today our second work is maths. Take out your math copy and open new page. हमने अपनी काउंटिंग कंप्लीट कर ली है 1 to 100. अब हम रिवीजन स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं 51 to 60. आपने मम्मा की हेल्प से यहाँ पे डेट और ये हेडिंग राइट करवानी है और यहाँ पे 51 to 60 कंप्लीट राइट करनी है. ओके, 51 to 60. Now look at the board. I will tell you how to write 51 to 60 counting. We will start from here. We will write 51. Leave one block. Write 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59 and 60. Now read again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to read counting from 51 to 100. ये रेसिटेशन करेंगे हम इसकी और आपने इसकी रेसिटेशन बार बार करनी है ताकि आपको ये अच्छी तरह से लर्न हो जाए. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. जब आपने इसको अच्छी तरह से इसको रेसिटेशन करनी है इसकी उसको लर्न करना है. Okay, dear students, today we are going to revise over solid shapes. What is the name of this shape? This is sphere. What is the name of this shape? Sphere. And this is cube. What is the name of this shape? Cube. What is the name of this shape? Cone. And what is the name of this shape? Cylinder. And this is cuboid. Sphere, cube, cone, cylinder, cuboid. See again. Sphere, cube, cone, cylinder and cuboid. Okay, dear students, take care. Allah Hafiz.